I'm Santina with WTI. Are you looking for a great yoga skirt? I have found the perfect one. This is from EXCHIC and it has worked absolutely wonderfully for me. I actually bought it to be a travel skirt. I took it to Europe with me this year. It packs really well and I wear it all the time with a lot of different clothes. The gray color is beautiful. It works with a lot of different tops. It's also very comfortable. It has great pull at the waist, so you don't have to worry about it feeling too tight or too clinchy. And it's modest. It goes right past my knees, so I was never worried about being immodest anywhere we traveled to. My favorite thing is that it goes with a variety of shoes. I personally like to wear it with a cute pair of heels, but it also goes well with flats, or if you really want to be comfortable while you're out walking all day, it can even go with a nice pair of walking shoes. So if you're looking for a great, comfortable yoga skirt that you can take with you to travel, I highly recommend this one. And that's my point of view.